Should I cut this cake? Cut this 1 billion. This 1 billion likes. But I'll cut this.
Eh, baga, nabot na kami dito. Rhino siya. Merkulis mo yung bagat.
Actually, I'll cut this monkey like.
Bill's palsy, ang pangalan niya. Ganito si Sue, yung kay Ate Margie.
Wait,
Bill's
I'm gonna
palsy.
upside down.
Kung ba-foil na kasi, babalik pa kaya ito. Kailangan niya na tanang.
Naka-trigger ng ganyan.
Ewan ko, so stress daw.
In 100k.
Stress. Tapos,
And then I'll cut
Viral infection sabi naman.
this
Oh, Bill's palsy is a medical
This one
condition causing
and
sudden
2
temporary weakness
million.
or paralysis in one side of the
And I'll
face.
cut
These
this.
signs include drooping or
1
lopsided
million.
smile and trouble closing one
It's
eye.
just smiling too.
It happens when facial nerves become swollen and irritated, often after a viral infection.
Infection.
Hmm.
So Tita Margie has an infection? Huh?
2 weeks daw. Recovery daw 2 weeks to 6 months. Doctors often prescribe steroid pills
Cut a
to reduce swelling. Eye care, eye drops.
masanap ako naman.
Mm.
Sabi na, nagsabon daw siya.
Hindi.
Bye guys.